Gather.Town is an exciting virtual world that's full of surprises, and it allows people to easily interact online. What's required? Just a computer with a camera and a microphone. We recommend Google Chrome for a smooth connection. For the best experience, headphones are advised. And that's all. No installation necessary. Just click a link to enter the world of Gather.Town. Gather.Town is a video chat platform in which you walk around a map using an avatar. When you log in, write your full name so everyone can identify you. You can use the arrow keys to move around. When you approach another avatar, a video chat will open automatically so you can get talking right away. When your avatar approaches an interactive object, the object will glow yellow. To interact with it, just press X. In the world, you can find videos, photos, documents, or even spots for answering quizzes. By pressing G, you can move through other avatars. Now that you know the best information, you can celebrate by pressing Z to dance. What should you do if something isn't working? Most problems can be solved by refreshing the page. If that doesn't work, try turning your microphone and camera off and on again, and make sure their usage is allowed in your browser. If you still have a problem, find one of us and we'll gladly assist you. What do the individual icons mean? By clicking on the smiley, you can request to speak or react with emojis. Clicking on the monitor icon will allow you to share your screen. The map icon will open a mini-map of the area to help you navigate. When you click on your name, you can edit it, edit your avatar in various ways, or reset your position on the map. There are a few other features that are worth mentioning. When you open the chat, you can either write to everyone or just to those nearby. By clicking on another user's name, you can send them a private message. Automatically walk to where they are, or display the shortest route to them. Want to see someone's full video screen? Just click on their video feed.